Welcome children. Today we are going to start the third part of this chapter. Already we have discussed about the area of some of the geometrical shapes. Then we have discussed about some area of some special quadrilateral like a trapezium, rhombus, etc. And today we are going to discuss about the surface area of certain solid shapes. So here we will discuss about cube, cuboid and cylinder. So before we discuss about these solid shapes, we must be aware of the net of these shapes. So you can remember whatever you have done in class 6 or 7. Here we have discussed on that time we have discussed about the net of cube. So if I am considering the first case, that is cube, so how it will look like for a cube if I am going to make the net of a cube. Okay, let's see. It can be net of a cube where if we are considering that each side of the square, the small squares, how many squares does it have? How many faces does the square have? It have total 6 faces. So these are the 6 faces you have. Now I can mark it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if these 6 faces you have and each face have a length of a unit. So the area of one small square will be what it will be? It will be a square. So for each and every square it will be a square. Okay, the area of each face will be a square. And how many faces does you have? You have 6 faces. So the total surface area of a cube will be how much? As it has 6, so it will be 6a square. Okay, and the same thing will happen in case of a cuboid, but that if that area part will be changed, because in case of cuboid what changes will be there? Let's come to the net of a cuboid. Go. Here I have drawn one net of a cuboid. So if you are opening this one, what you will get? It should have one base, one top. These two are identical. Then it have two sides. This is also identical, and back and front. These two also identical. Now, how you can find out the surface area of this shape? So for that, what you have to do? Let's come to that part. You might have noticed that length, that all of them are not equal. It have a different length of base, different length of height, and different length of length part. So let's find out how we can get that area. First I will talk about this base and the top. These two are identical. So what will be the total area? Here if this is L and that one is that one we are considering, that one is, here it is. Go. For the top and base, we are going to find the area for the top and base. What it will be? That part is length and that part is breadth. So it will be, and as you have two faces, so it will be 2 into L plus B, sorry, L into B. This is the area you will get for that one. Then area for the two sides. So two sides, it will be how much? This one is H and this one is B. So it will be 2 into BH. Then for that back and front, this thinner one, area for the back and front. So how much it will be? It is L and this one is B. Sorry, this is H. So it will be L, 2 into L into H. So here the total surface area it will be what? 2 into L into B plus 2 into B into H plus 2 into L into H. So let's take 2 as common. So you will get 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So this will be the total surface area for a cuboid. Let's come to a cylinder. Go. In case of a cylinder, let's imagine a cylindrical shape. Okay, so how many faces does it have? For that, if you are considering this is the base and this is the top, then in base and top you have to circle. What you are getting? Top and base will be 2 circle. So you can mark 2 circles. So for the surface area of a cylinder, first we will take two circles. So what will be the area of these circles? For one it is pi r square. Yes. So for two it will be 2 pi r square. Now let's come to the lateral surface. What does it mean? Lateral surface means this curved surface, curved face of this cylinder. So how we can find out the area of this one? Let's consider this height of the cylinder. Let it be h. So if I am cutting this one along the height, so that height it will be h. For this one you have got pi r square. This is also pi r square. You have already got. Okay. Now I want to know the area of this curved face. So that height we have marked, that is h. Now what will be the length of this one? If I am opening this one, what you are getting? Actually we will get a rectangle. For that one, when we are opening this one, you might have noticed when it was in cylindrical shape, that part was equal to the circumference of this circle. Yes, that circular faces you have, it is equal with that. So the circumference of this circle is, that is called 2 pi r. So that side its length will be 2 pi r, that means circumference of the circle with that, and that one is h. So what will be the area of this curved face? So here we can write the area of the curved face, area of the curved face, that is equal to what? The length we have got, that is equal with the circumference of this circle or the circular face. So that is equal to 2 pi r, and height is equal to, this is the breadth of this rectangle. Here that 2 pi r equal to the length of the rectangle, and h equal to the, that is height of the cylinder, is the breadth of the rectangle. You must be clear about these two things, then only you will get this one. So what you are getting for the curved face, it is 2 pi r h. So total surface area will be, total surface area, that is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. If we are taking 2 pi r as common, so we are getting r plus h. This is the total surface area of this cylinder. Let's come to some of the example which is not given in your book. Go. Here we have taken one question. Here the situation has been given. The lateral surface area of a cube has been given, that is equal to 324 centimeter square, and you have asked to find out the total surface area of this cube. So what we can do in this case? First, let's be clear about the lateral surface and the total surface. Lateral surface means what? When we are talking about the lateral surface, that means we will consider only that sides, back, that two sides and back and front, not the top and base. So in excluding the top and base, how many faces you are getting? Here we will get 4 faces. Yes, that two sides and back and front, these 4 faces will be considered. So here we can write that lateral surface is equal to, that is equal to, if one face is equal to a square, so lateral surface will be 4a square, and here as per question it is given 324 centimeter square. So one area of one surface, one face will be 324 by 4, that much centimeter square. So let's cancel, it is 81 you are getting. So area of one face will be 81 centimeter square. Then what will be the total surface area? Here when we are talking about the total surface area, that means we will include how many faces? Here we will include 6 faces. So total surface area, that is equal to 6 square. So here it will be 6 into 81 centimeter square. That means it is 6 1 is 6, 6 8 is 48. So 486 centimeter square. This is your answer. Okay, let's come to a different kind of question where 2 cubes has been put side by side. Then what will be the surface area of this resulting cuboid? Let's come to that question. Go. Here the question is like that. 2 cubes each of 8 centimeter is a joint end to end. Find out the total surface area of the resulting cuboid. So what actually happened? Here one cube has been given. for the one cube it has been given that each side will be 8 centimeter. So if another one is being added, what change will made in this case? Here that length only will be changed. What length? Not the height or not the breadth. What will happen in this case? Suppose now it's become like that. Now give it a shape of the cuboid. Yes, earlier what it was? It was like that. Yes or no? Earlier it was like that. Now this borderline has been eliminated. So it's become a cuboid now. When it was 2 cube, it was like that. Now it's become like that. So what changes has been made? That length L changed and it become 8 plus 8 centimeter, that means 16 centimeter. And here breadth is remaining, that is 8 centimeter, and height also it is remaining same, that is equal to 8 centimeter. Let's come to the total surface area of this resulting cuboid. Yes, as we know the formula, so what we can write? Here we can write the total surface area of the resulting cuboid is equal to what? As far as we have done the formula, it is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Here, let's put in place of L, we will put 16 centimeter and base is 8 centimeter, height is 8 centimeter. Let's what we will get. Let's see, it will be 16 into 8 plus 8 into 8 plus 16 into 8. Yes, so it will be 2 into, yes, so what we will add after adding this, unit is centimeter square. Okay, let's add them. Yes, then it is, we will multiply this one by 2, so we are getting 640 centimeter square. So the total surface area of this resulting cuboid will be 640 centimeter square. I hope you are clear about this kind of questions. Let's come to the one different question which is based on the surface area of a cylinder. Let's come to the question. Let's go through the question. Here the question is, if the curved surface area of a cylinder is 1760 centimeter square and its base radius is 14 centimeter, you have asked to find out what will be the height. So what has been given? Here that lateral surface area has been given. Yes, curved surface, that means if we are looking for that, when we have gone for the net of this cylinder, we have find out if this is the lateral surface, that radius of this one, that means this R has been given, it is 14 centimeter, and that total that surface, that lateral surface area or that curved surface, that one has been given 1760 centimeter square. So you have to find out this one, that height, what it will be, what is the height of this cylinder. So what was the formula we have got in this case? Let's come to that one. If you are looking for this one, from that means that lateral surface area is stands for, it is equal to lateral surface or area of the curved surface. That is equal to what? That is equal to 2 pi r into h we have got earlier when I have proved this one. And as per the question, according to the question, it has been given that 2 pi r h equal to 1760 centimeter square. Here we know what is the value of r. So let's go for h, but it will be 1760 by 2 into pi into r. So here it is 1760 by 2 into 22 into r stands for 16. 14. It has been given in the question. Okay, and it will be 7. Let's cancel this one. What we will get here? Yes, 2. Okay, 11 2s are 11 8s are, then 0, then again if it is 47, it is 2, then it is 20. So what you have got, that is equal to 20 centimeters. So what will be the height of this cylinder? Here that height h will be 20 centimeter. So in this way you can solve all the questions, I hope, from this exercise. So let's try for the best.